Yes. So we have learned about how to write the numbers by using Indian and international system and correlation between Indian Indo-Arabic system and international system. And then after completing the session, we should go to learn about what is the next topic? Rounding of numbers. Let us see the video with the help. You can understand better with the help of what I am showing to you, right? Don't get the time waste. You just watch the video and note down if you find any points.
Objectives: rounding off the numbers to its nearest place values. Rounding is a way of simplifying numbers to make them easier to understand or work with. Rounding can be used when an exact number isn't needed and an approximate answer will do. For example, according to the Census Bureau, the population of the United States is 285,868,158. Although this number is precise, it is cumbersome and difficult to remember. We could use 200 million, but there is a better estimate. If we place this number on the number line, we see that 285,868,158 is between 200 million and 300 million. However, the population is closer to 300 million. We say that to the nearest 100 million, the population of the US is 300 million. Let's learn to round off the whole numbers to its nearest 10,000s. Step 1. Find the round-off digit. The round-off digit is the place value of the number which needs to be rounded. For example, 2,460,257. If we want to round a number to the nearest 10, the round-off digit is the number in the tens place. If we want to round a number to the nearest 100, the round-off digit is the number in the hundreds place. Suppose if we want to round a number to the nearest 10,000s, the rounding off digit is the number in the 10,000s place. Step 2. Look at the number to the right of the round-off digit. If the number is less than 5, don't change the round-off digit. If the number is 5 or more, add 1 to the round-off digit. In this example, the number right to the round-off digit, that is 0, which is less than 5. So don't change the round-off digit. Step 3. Change all the digits to the right of the round-off digit to zeros. Therefore, the rounding off of the number 2,460,257 to its nearest 10,000s place is 2,460,000. Round the number to its nearest 1,000. Let us take one example, 273,951. Step 1. Find the round-off digit. The round-off digit is the place value of the number at thousands place. Step 2. Look at the number to the right of the round-off digit. Here, 9 is more than 5. Then add 1 to the round-off digit. That is 3 plus 1. Change all the digits to the right of the round-off digit to zeros. Therefore, the number is 274,000. Therefore, the rounding of the number 273,951 to its nearest thousands is 274,000. Here are some examples of rounding off to the nearest tens place with whole numbers. 22,333 is rounded off to 22,330 is less than 5. 567,987 is rounded off to 567,990 because 7 in the ones place and is more than 5. Here are some examples of rounding off to the nearest 10,000s place with whole numbers. 666,009 is rounded off to 670,000 because 6,000s place is more than 5. 7,981,987 is rounded off to 7,980,000 because the 1 in the thousands place is less than 5. Here are some examples of rounding off to the nearest millions place with whole numbers. 31,666,009 is rounded off to 32 million because the 6 in the hundreds thousands place is more than 5. 27,981,987 is rounded off to 28 million because the 9 in the hundreds thousands place is more than 5.
Yes, this is what we have seen till now. Yes. So what is here the topic is rounding of numbers. What is rounding of numbers? Let us learn about that. So knowing our number, who's that? Somebody is writing. Okay, no need. No need, I will tell you. See, rounding of numbers. First of all, rounding off ante ento manam telusukundam. You just learn about what is rounding off. So nearest, approximately, roughly, these are the words are used to, it's not confirmed. But exact numbers we are not saying. Instead of to say that exact numbers, you just say our convenient number. That is called a rounding of number or estimation number. So that like words like approximately, roughly, nearest, these are the numbers are all used to say estimation and rounding. Yeah. So rounding of numbers can be expressed in, you can say that nearest tens, nearest hundreds, nearest thousands, nearest 10,000s. How to write rounding of numbers to the particular number? Let us understand by using with the examples, right? So then example is, one example, write the rounding of number to the nearest tens. Rounding of numbers to the nearest tens. So nearest tens and you just learn about the nearest tens. See, 5,287. The nearest tens, you just round off near tens digits. This is the tens digits, what I have seen. This is the tens digit. Yeah. What is the tens digit? 8. But okay, will you continue this 8 tens, you know? So to write the number which is here, yes, 5,200 should write 80 or 90. We have to say that. To say whether to continue the same 10 or next 10, that will be decided by the digit right of the round of digit. Round of digit ki right side unnatuvanti digit decide chestadi. How it will be decided? See, if the right of the round of digit is less than 5, we'll do the same. We'll continue the same number, whether it is same number, right? So if the number is greater than 5, yes. If the number is greater than 5, we'll take the next number. Yes, what I mean to say, here the rounding of digit is 8. Yes, so to take the right of the round of digit, right side the round of number ki right side unnadani check cheyandi. So if it is less than 5, you should continue the same tens here. And if it is greater than 5, you just take the next number. That means 8 plus 1. What is that 8 plus 1? Yes, 9 should be right. And all the digits should be the 0. Now, the round of number to the 5287 to the nearest tens is 5290. Okay? By using the same, we just write another example. Nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds. We should, same number I am taking. With the help of the same number, you just try to write the nearest round of number to the nearest hundreds. Okay, while I'm going to write the round of number to the nearest hundreds, I just round off. I just give a round to the nearest hundreds. So hundreds nearest hundreds, you have to write round of number. I just round off 2 in the hundreds place. Now to continue this, which 100 to be right in the round of number? Either 2 nor 3. Why? Who will decide it? That right digit of the round of number will decide it. See, this is the digit. So actually we need to write the nearest 100. So nearest 100, just here to write the nearest tens, we have we have seen that once place when we write the nearest hundreds, we have to see the tenth place. If the tenth place is less than 5, what is that? Same number will continue, same 100. If it is a greater than 5, we'll take the next 100. So the given number is greater than 5, so that we just add 1 to this number, it will become 3. 5300. All the digits are zeros. To write 200 or 300, see, I will make you to learn here. If the digit is 4, now let us see what will happen. If the digit is 4 here, therefore now it is less than 5. So what should we do? We'll continue the same. We'll continue the same 100. You no need to add this all. So same 100 will continue. See, 200 will get it. So if the number, whatever the desired number we need, what is the desired digit, or 100 is the desired digit. So we are writing the round off number to the nearest hundreds, so that we should round off this 2 and check. We just take the digit right of round off digit. If it decides which 100 is to write here, right? We'll go for the next. See, one thing I'm telling you, when class is going on, the notes you have to be write it along with me. Why? Because we don't have a particular time to write again, right? Yeah. I'm going to go for the next one. Yes. Just wait. I will. Yeah. Round off number to the next third example. Round off example 3. Round off number to the nearest thousands. Take an example here. 5, 2, 3, 4, and 7. So altogether there are 52,347 is the number given. So we have to write the nearest round of number to the nearest thousands. So 1000 place. What is the 1000 place here? You just round off it, and will continue the 2000 or 3000. This will be actually it will be like that. See, this is the number between, it lies between 52,000 and 53,000. Yes, why? Because the 2052 and the next 1000 is 53. Yes, yes, the middle number is 52,500. Right. So now you just let us see this 52,347. Yes, it is number. This is the given number is nearest to 52,000 or 53,000. How do you know that? Yes, by observing, by taking the digit which it is on the right side of the round of number. Rounding number right side on the digits mano. Adi tiskunta, that will be tells us which thousand it will be continue. Yeah, it is 3. It is less than 5. Yes, it is less than 5. So need not to be add any 1000 to 2. So we'll continue about the same 1000. So the round of the number is 52,000 is the round of number. If what will happen if here it is some other number. If it is a 6, yes, now it is greater than 5. Yes, yes, Nana, it is greater than 5, no? So that we have to add 1. So it will become 3. So yes, this is the thing we have to do to write the round of numbers, right? And then we'll go for next example. Please don't write on this screen. If you write, then you will write. I will give the chance for you. Okay. Next example. Nearest 10,000. Okay. If you understand how to write the rounding of numbers, either tens, hundreds, and thousands, even 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, it's not a matter. Okay. Take one example here. 53,487. We'll take otherwise one more 2 lakhs. Yeah. What is our nearest round of number? Round of numbers are 10,000. What is there in the 10,000 digit? What is the 10,000 digit is 5. You just round it. Yeah, we'll continue this by, I will show you this. This is 2,50,000. It starts from, and 2,60,000. Yes, it is lies between 2,50,000, 2,60,000. It is at 2,55,000. This is 55,000. Okay, so to continue to write 50,000 or 60,000, who will tells us? Yes, the digit which it is on the right of the round of digit. Yes, it is 3. So we continue the same 10,000. If it is more than 5, we add 10,000 to the round of digit. So here no need to add any 10,000. So that will continue this 2,50,000 is round of the number. Yes, this is our tens, either in the tens or hundreds or thousands and 10,000s. If you do, you just do it like this. If you have any more doubts, please you just ask me. Then I will. If you want, you can take the screenshots. No need to write it. Later on, you just write. I will not give any such a time to write now. We have a very little time to complete our task, our session. So that after completion, you just take one screenshot if you want to write in the notes as a notes. Yes. Yes. Tell me, Nana. Okay, who will take that screenshot? Veeravarshini, just take a one screenshot of our attendance and send me after completion of the class, right? Then I will ask you, and what are the topics we have discussed today? What are the topics? Can you tell me? I will. What are they? Rounding of numbers to the nearest. Can you tell me? Rounding of nearest tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. If you want, you can also write lakhs also, right? And so on, right? So to write the tens, nearest tens, you just look at one's digit, and to write the nearest hundreds, you just look at tens digit. If you want to, if you write the nearest thousands, you just look at hundreds digit. To write the nearest 10,000s, you just look at thousands digit. To write the nearest lakhs, you just look at 10,000s digit. Why? They are decided to write the same or adding one to the next. Right, this is all about we have learned. And in the last session, we have learned about the correlation between Hindu and Arabic system. And I have given some work. And what about today? Yes, I'm going to open and I will give chance to you all. Please raise your hands, those who have to ask anything to me. Okay, right. And please raise, yes, Shashidhar is asking me to mute. Please ask. Unmute yourself, please, and speak to me,
Yes,
Nana.
sir.
Yes, tell me, what is your question?
Sir, this textbook lo undi kada sir, ade numbers.
Yeah, estimation and rounding both are same, Nana. And I will give that exercise today to complete as a homework.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Anything? Thank you.
No, sir.
Yes. Okay. Shivaram Patil, unmute and speak to me.
Homework not there, huh?
Yeah. What happened, boy?
Homework.
Yeah, I will give homework.
Okay, sir.
Mohan Krishna, what is? Unmute yourself. What is your question, Nana? Yeah, please tell me.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, ఇప్పుడు గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 5 ఉంటే అక్కడ డిజిట్స్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది కదా సార్
Greater than 5.
ఈక్వల్ ఉన్న చేంజ్ సార్ ఈక్వల్ ఉన్నా కానీ చేంజ్ అవుతుందా సార్
Equal unna change avutada. Okay,
Yes,
I will
sir.
share my screenshot. I mean, whiteboard I will share. Please write on the board. I didn't get your point, right? Okay.
ఓకే సార్
Okay, right. Please write. Mohan Krishna is asking something. I didn't get it. So everybody look at the number. Please attention here, everyone. Yeah, very good, Mohan Krishna. I got your point is, so I am asking you to write the nearest 10,000s, right? Nearest 10,000s. So this is the 10,000, it is the 10,000 place. I need to see that
sir.
right of the rounding of digit. So he's trying to ask me, sir, okay, if it is less than 5, you told me that to write the same number, and if it is a greater than 5, you told me that add 1 to that round of digit. You said that, but if it is equal to 5, what will happen? That is your question, right, boy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Even see the good question, Nana. Very really appreciate you. If the digit is equal to 5 or greater than 5, we add 1 to the digit. Okay. Now you clear?
Yes, sir.
The rounding off number is 2,65,325 to write the nearest 10,000s. See one thing, equal to 5 or greater than 5, we just add 1 to the desired.
हमको यहाँ तक 0 6
Yes. Okay, na? Clear, Nana?
Okay, sir.
Yes. And
Yes,
also it is clear to all. But good question is asked. You also very, you just try to ask such a questions. If anyone raised hands, then I will ask them. Okay, good. Down, Nana, down. Down your hands. Mohan Krishna, down your hands. Right. Ajay, next. Meher Siddharth, you just, Meher Siddharth, please unmute and speak to me.
For homework.
Yes, I will send it, Nana. I will send it. Otherwise, okay, you just write exercise 1.2. Homework also announced here. I announce homework as exercise 1.2.
Okay, sir.
Yes, you just write in the notebook. Notebook lo rayandi. I will call you to
Okay, sir.
to the school for the homework correction. By that time, you should come with the completion. Without a complete, you will be getting some reward and award. Remember, right? And Omkar, please, Nana, unmute and speak to me.
Sir,
Yes, tell me. You raised your hand.
I did not understand thousands, sir.
Thousands. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll try. Okay, I will tell you, Nana. Okay, thousands. Right. So you did not understand about the thousands. So nearest thousands. Right. I'm taking the number 5,200 and okay, 15,249. Yes. What is yes nearest to thousands? So which is the digit in the thousands place? That's 5.
Sir, 5.
Yes. Here we have to see that right of round of digit. To write 5 in the next, when I'm writing this round of number, so should I write the same 10,000 or thousands or next 1,000? Who will decide that? The two, this next right of round of digit will be decide that. Okay, if that number is less than 5, we'll continue this. 15,000. Yes, less than 5 kada, it is less than 5, so that we'll continue the same thousands. If it is greater than 5, okay, if it is 7, yes, we just add 1. That means 16,000 we get it. You got it? Point that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you, Nana. Thank you very much. Yes. 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 Any more questions? Chunetra. What is your yes?
Sir, ఇంకొకసారి homework repeat చేయండి.
Yes. Exercise 1.2. 1.2 in the second exercise in the first chapter. In the first chapter, knowing our number, second exercise. It is regarding to that estimation and expanded forms. I think you know very well about the expanded form. So many, so far we are learning about all the expanded forms and rounding number, writing number names and everything, so that we can use that by using those knowledge, you just complete that exercise 2. Okay, right? This is the our closing time. And thanks for coming, everyone. And we will discuss next new topic in the next session. Till that, and take care and bye bye. So stay home and stay safe. Thank you.